So hello everyone. So in this video we are going to learn how we can make our currency converter using Python so that you can change any currency into any currency. Like you can change USD into INR, you can change INR into USD, you can change Bitcoin into USD, Bitcoin into INR, like this. All the currency you can change. Here I have just Google and I have taken the name of all the currencies which is available in the world. So these are the currency. So now we are going to learn how we can make our currency converter. So for making currency converter, I am using here Forex Python library. So now we will see the code. Here I am using PyCharm ID. So I am naming my project name like currency converter. Yeah, so our project is ready. So first step, we just need to install this library. So just I'm copying this command and opening the terminal and I will paste. So our package is installed. So now we have to just import that package and use this package. So for this I'm going to use like from converter import currency rates. Yeah, so our main step is done. We have imported the Forex Python library here. Now in the next step, what we have to do, we are creating one variable where we will call the currency rates function. Now in the next step, so current currency. So in this variable we will take the input from the user, like which is the current currency. So input like so as you can see here, user will enter the code of that currency. So these are the code for all the currency. You can just Google and find this any website where you can find all the code related to any currency. So here user will pass this currency code, what is the current currency and what is the code of that currency. So usually these all code are in uppercase. So suppose in this case you are going to type in a lower case, then it will show the error because it is not going to recognize, because it is Python is case sensitive. So in that case, what we are going to do, any input we are going to change into a uppercase. Yeah, and desired we will also change it to in uppercase. So I hope you have got this point why I am changing this input into a uppercase. Now we will create one variable like amount. So that amount will be in integer always. So what we have to do, we have to use typecasting. So we will convert our input into integer format. So like now the last one, we are going to just make one variable like result, and we are going to use this currency rate, this function dot convert. From current we will pass the current currency here, comma desired currency, this will be N. Yeah, so let me explain you what is this line is doing. Here this convert function, we are passing two parameter. First one is current currency and second one is what is the desired currency, in which currency you want to change that currency. So it will change the current currency into a desired currency and save into a result. So now we will just print this result. Yeah, here we are getting the error. One argument is missing. Yeah, that required amount is missing actually. We just forgot to pause this. Here we will pass the amount. So in which amount we are going to change into a desired currency. Now we will run again. So now we are going to run this program. Suppose I am using like USD and required is INR and amount is 1000. So you can see here 1000 USD in INR is this much. So that's how you can convert any currency into any currency. So I hope you like this video. If you have any query, kindly let me know in the comment section and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Thank you.